And the Pocket Knife Creek wildfire has exploded in size. It's burning out of control 20 kilometers northwest of Buckinghorse River. The fire has almost doubled in size over the weekend. It's now listed at 4,374 hectares. Area restrictions are now in place. Getting to the fire has been proving difficult, so helicopters are fighting the blaze from above. 60 firefighters are currently headed to the scene. The fire is being described as a highly vigorous surface fire. It was discovered on May the 17th and was brought under control on May the 27th, but due to hot temperatures and high winds, the fire started burning out of control once again late last week. Wind gusts this weekend moving the fire northeast towards the Alaska Highway.